today I am here to give you a demo lesson on RCEM approach. First of all, students, I will ask you some questions related to your prior knowledge. My first question is, on which planet do you live? Raise your hands. Yes. Yes. Very nice. Sit down. What is the shape of your earth? Raise your hand. Yes. Spherical. Spherical. Good. Sit down. Your earth is made up of only one layer or many layers? Yes. Yes.
Many layers.
Many layers. Very good. Sit down. So as she answered that your earth is made up of many layers. Tell me specifically how many layers are there in the earth? Yes, no, collective answering. Yes? Very nice. Three. Three are the main layers. As you said, the earth is made up of three layers. What is the topmost layer? What we call the topmost layer? Yes, raise your hands.
Crust.
Crust. Very good. Sit down. So crust is the topmost layer. Now you tell me, on the crust, name different kind of rocks we find on crust. Different kind of rocks we find on crust. Yes, anyone from this side? Yes.
Sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary rock. Igneous rock. Very good. Any else? Very good.
Metamorphic rocks.
Metamorphic rocks. Very good. Anything else? Anything else? Okay. So my next question is, as you said that metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, limestone rocks, these are your some answers that you have given to us. Limestone rock after some time converts into which rock? Okay. So limestone rock converts into marble. And these are some changes that are happening on the earth surface. So our today's topic is just related to these changes, that is our changing earth. Write this topic on your notebook and our changing earth. First of all, introduction to this topic, that is earth is made up of, on this earth we have different kind of spheres. With the help of one diagram, so at this part of the earth, we assume that this is covered with air, and what we call this part? Atmosphere. Very nice. No collective answering. This sphere of the earth is called atmosphere. This this layer of the earth is covered with water. What is the sphere? We call this sphere hydrosphere. We call this sphere a hydrosphere. And this, the landmass, this is called the lithosphere. And this all comprises what we call biosphere. So, in spite of all, today we will study about this land that is called lithosphere. Okay? Write this word on your notebook. Lithosphere. So this lithosphere is made up of many kinds of plates. As you assume, have you ever seen a puzzle game in which a drawing is made up of, and there are so many pieces, and you have to join that pieces for making a picture. So just like that, our lithosphere is also made up of so many plates. So mainly this sphere has 7 major plates. 7 major plates. you will remember these plates like our 7 continents. And there are so many minor plates. Many of them are minor plates. And these plates are not still plates. These plates are not still, they are moving, and there is some force that applies on these plates and they moves time by time. Okay. But when this force applies on the lithosphere, so there are two type of movements that happens on the earth. So today we will discuss about the forces, forces that applies on the earth. So write down the word forces. So there are two type of forces that applies on the earth, that is the first type of force is endogenic force, and second one is exogenic. So there are two type of forces. First is endogenic forces and second one is exogenic forces. So we have studied about the lithosphere and up to the forces. Now tell me, how many spheres are there on the earth? Yes, we have studied yet with the help of one diagram. How many spheres are there? No, we have studied four spheres. Okay, so remember what we are studying right now. Okay, so endogenic forces, mainly this endo means internal forces. If there is a earth, this earth, this earth from inside, we have three major layers, and from the inside it is called endogenic. Endo means inside, है ना? Endogenic, genic means forces, endogenic forces, the forces come from inside, and these forces are the sudden forces. You can also say that these forces are what? Sudden forces. Sudden forces. And exogenic forces, the forces that applies outside the surface of the earth, is called exogenic forces. First of all, we will study about the endogenic forces. So there are two major endogenic forces that we will study today, that is volcanoes. First one is volcano and the second one is earthquake. Earthquake. So first of all, with the help of one, everyone has written this. So first of all, with the help of one activity, we will study about the volcanic eruption. Okay? So you all know, and you have studied in your earlier chapters also, that the innermost layer, inner crust, is made up of molten magma. So whenever there are some forces happens inside the earth, there are some places on the earth where this molten lava comes out, and this lava is very hot. So with the help of one activity, I will show you how this lava looks like or how this erupts. Okay. So one student come forward. One student from the class come forward. Okay, this is a small lava like, okay, this is a small mountain, and here you see a different kind of red kind of colors are done on this volcanic rock. Why? Because some lavas are very active and continuously they are erupting red or hot lava that is red in color. So is there water in this bottle? Yes. So beta, if there is, we assuming that these forces are coming from inside, but right now we are doing it from outside. Okay. So if you put some water in this nozzle, yes, put some water. हाँ डालो. Assume the color of the lava. हाँ कौन से कलर का है? Reddish. And what else is coming out? And what else is coming out? Some kind of gases and dust materials. So very good beta, sit down, clap for her as she come outside and do one activity. So by this activity we have seen that active lava, in active lava this is crust, this is crust part where from the lava comes out, and this is very hot. In actual conditions this lava is very hot. From this it comes out the dust particles, harmful gases and red lava. When this lava comes out, it is in red color, and after some time it changes into black in color or in dark color, and the ashes comes out into black soil. So there are so many changes are coming when this lava comes out. So many changes are coming on the exogenic forces, due to exogenic forces. Later we will study this also. So okay, this is the first part, that is volcanic eruption. The second part, so let's see about on this with the help of chart. Our second endogenic force. See, first of all, you have to see the first picture. That is, what are you observing in this picture? There is a house that is broken from one side. So, we will study with the help of an activity. Everybody, put your hands on your table. Everybody, put your hands on the table like this. Everybody, table, not on our bag. On the table. On the table. Everybody. So now, you, and you. Now, I will do one activity and you all have to observe. When you have put your hands on the table, is there any activity is happening? Is there anything happening? Okay. Now, you all have to observe one by one what is happened on your table. So, with the help of small activity, what have you observed at that time?
Vibration.
No, vibrations. One student stand up and explain the thing. Yes. Acha. On this table, tell me, the more effect of vibration is on this side or on this side? This side. On your bench? This side? No, नहीं पहुंची वाइब्रेशंस, नहीं पहुंची. आपको आई थी वाइब्रेशंस? आपको आई थी वाइब्रेशंस? आपको आई थी वाइब्रेशंस? नहीं आई. वेरी नाइस. आपको आई थी वाइब्रेशंस? आपको आई थी वाइब्रेशन. तो कुछ बच्चों को आई, कुछ बच्चों को नहीं आई. At the time, at the place where I stuck, or where the internal forces stuck or do some activity, this is called the focus point in the internal, in the inside the earth, and on the crust part It is called epicenter. And the impact of the earthquake depends on the intensity. As you said, that at the end of the student said that there is no impact on that side. But on this side, the impacts that they feel the vibrations. But on this side, she also feels vibration and she also feels vibrations. So there are some long-term waves and short-term waves. And the impact of these vibrations destructs a lot. As you see, a building that is made up of bricks and cements, and with the help of these vibrations, this building breaks down into two parts. है ना? Is there any example that you give on this part? Have you ever seen or feels the earthquake or any of the earthquake example you have in your mind? Yes? Yes? Tell to everyone. Yes?
मैम वो भी 3-4 साल पहले जब हुआ था
रात को हुआ था. हाँ.
मैम सडन शेकिंग हुई है.
सडन सी शेकिंग हुई थी. और कितना सा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा था यहाँ पर? कम था. आपको किस चीज से पता चला कि शेकिंग हुई? बेड हिल रहा था और फैन भी हिल रहा था. वेरी गुड. सिट डाउन. तो जब whenever you observe these kind of activities, what you have to do? You have to sit down under a table. Why you should have to sit down under a table? Because if any brick or hard surface material comes down, it never hurts you. So that's why in America or in Japan, where earthquakes happen more often, so where the people make houses of woods. They prefer to make houses of woods. Okay. So we have studied two type of internal forces, that is volcanic eruption and the earthquakes. Now we will move forward towards the exogenic forces. Exogenic forces are the outer forces. Before teaching outer forces, firstly you will tell me the molten magma is cold or hot? Cold or hot? From where the magma comes out, that place is called? Yes? Who will answer the yes? Crust. Or what are the volcano called? What the mountain called? Very good. It is called the volcano. This is a trophy for you. Okay. Now there are some outer forces. The first outer force that happens on the earth's surface is called weathering. Write these words on your notebook as these are very important to you. Weathering. What is weathering? I will explain you. I will explain you this weathering concept with the help of one diagram. Assume this is a sun. This is a rock. Within what? When a sun, in daytime there is sun and it comes out, what the sun gives to us? Heat, natural heat. This heats, when a rock receives these heats in the daytime and in the night time, it receives a little colder temperature. So this slightly change of hot and cold. And after so many years, or you can say that after 10 years or 20 years, this rock breaks into many parts and this made into these small rocks. So whenever on some elements this sun and the night or rain also do this. Rain impacts on something. How rain impacts on this? If rain comes and if this rock has some kind of cracks in daytime, when rain happens the cracks are filled with the water, and in the night time that cracks are filled with the ice, or water changes into ice. So whenever this changes time to time, these cracks are little bigger, makes bigger, and after some time or after many years this rock also breaks down. So weathering is that when the outer forces, either sun, either rain, or either pollution impacts. So there are so many examples like the marble, like the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is made of which rock? Marble. The marble is of which color? White. But with the impact of pollution, sun, rain, this marble turns into which color? Yellowish color. So that's with the help of an example we have studied that the weathering effect. So the second effect is that we are studying on this day, that is water. And with the help of water cycle, if there is slightly change, when there is lot and lots of rain happen in some on some region, what happens? Floods. Very nice. So as you seen in the later year, in the later monsoon, we have a flood-like conditions in Jammu also. And what will happen? In some areas, there is water come out of the water level or the dangerous level. It puts on and it affects on the parts of it damage the houses, buildings, and many other things. So इससे क्या होता है? It affects our agriculture also, social impact, economical impact, and after some time, some areas is affected with the water, and some areas is affected with the drought-like condition. What is drought? Drought is the area situation where हाँ scarcity of water. ठीक है, इफ जो है रेन है वो नहीं पड़ती है तो तब क्या हो जाती है? ड्रॉट लाइक कंडीशंस जो है वो पैदा हो जाती हैं. और जिन एरियाज में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है वहां पर क्या होता है? फ्लड्स लाइक कंडीशंस जो है वो आ जाती हैं. ये आपने रिसेंटली जो है पिछले साल अपने उधमपुर में और जम्मू में तो आप लोगों ने ये जो है हैवी कंडीशंस देखी होंगी जहां पर जो है वो ऐसी कंडीशंस जो है वो पैदा हुई थी. सो टुडे वी हैव स्टडीड टू टाइप ऑफ फोर्सेस, दैट इज एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस एंड एक्सोजेनिक फोर्सेस. So there is one question for you, that endogenic forces are also called sudden forces and exogenic forces are also called outer forces. Very nice. So very nice. We have studied about our changing earth with some activities we have done today. Now there is some questions for you and you have to answer these questions. Earth's interior has dash plates. How many major plates? Raise your hands. No, collective answering yes. Come forward and write this answer on the board. Yes. Very nice. You got a star for this. Outer forces of Earth is called. No, collective answering yes. Come forward. Very good. Tell to all students. Exogenic forces. Very nice. Now there are two false. Volcanoes can't be predicted. Yes, come forward and write the answer.
No, because these are certain forces.
अब हाँ ठीक है, सर्टन भी है, बट मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं कि वॉल्केनोज कैन बी प्रिडिक्टेड. वॉल्केनोज कैन बी प्रिडिक्टेड. earthquakes will not be predicted. Is there, if there is an active volcano, so it can be predicted with the earth movements that it will be erupted soon. So that's why we evacuate that area. Okay? So the answer is yes. The next question is, earthquake can be predicted? No, false. The next one is, volcanoes are only found on land. Do volcanoes only found on land? Yes.
False. They are found in the water.
Ah, they are found in water too. So you got a trophy for this. So this is how you have to do the lesson plan. Thank you so much. ठीक है?